Hi, I'm Lisa Vallon, the UC Cooperative Extension Project Archivist at UC Merced. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of where to find the UC Cooperative Extension Archive collection guides online. For the UC Cooperative Extension Archive, a collection is the archival material from one Cooperative Extension County office. So what is a collection guide? A collection guide is sometimes also referred to as a finding aid, and its function is to give you background on a collection such as how it was created, its history, and an overview of its contents. You can find all of the collection guides on the Online Archive of California's website. The Online Archive of California, also known as OAC, is hosted by the California Digital Library, which is part of the University of California. There are a couple of ways to get to the collection guide from OAC's website. The first way is to use the search box in the center of the page. Let's give it a try. We will do a search for UC Cooperative Extension. On our search page, you can view a whole collection or individual items. For this video, we will view by collections. You'll notice the first two results are part of the UC Cooperative Extension Archive. You can see that it's part of the archive right here in the Contributing Institution field. If we click on the first result, it will take us to the Ventura County Collection Guide. You can also find collection guides by clicking on the Browse Institution link located in the top row of links. This takes us to a page that lists all of the institutions alphabetically. Let's click on the U. Now we can easily locate the UC Cooperative Extension Archive link under UC Merced. Clicking this link will take us to the UC Cooperative Extension's Archives page. Here you can see 3 collection guides that are listed alphabetically by county name. Every UC Cooperative Extension collection guide that is created will be available on this page. If you have any questions regarding the UC Cooperative Extension Archive or on using OAC or collection guides, please contact me at evallon@ucmerced.edu. Thank you so much for watching our video on finding UC Cooperative Extension Archive collection guides. Look for our video on using collection guides out next month.